Hi, Sebastian. It's Rick here with Mercedes-Benz Country Hills. It was a pleasure talking to you early on this afternoon. Sebastian, what I thought I would do real quickly for you is just go through the numbers and give you something that you can look at here. So, as I mentioned earlier, with your particular vehicle, I think you paid, I believe, 52,000 for the vehicle. So, if I had it on the lot right now, Sebastian, I would ask 48.9 for the vehicle. I would like to be in the vehicle at 90% of market. So somewhere between these two areas here, I hope to make a little bit of profit on the vehicle. As you know, being a Mercedes, I would need to recertify the vehicle again. So I get charged $400 to classify it as a certified vehicle. And then I do the certified inspection, which is $850, and then a quick little detail on the car. So at the end of the day, your vehicle would be worth $42,435. And with your GST credit, you'd be at 44,557. So you obviously pay tax on the difference between the two vehicles. And in a nutshell, Sebastian, real quickly, our vehicle, Colin reduced the price of the vehicle to 79,999, less your trade allowance of 42,435. So the difference between the two cars is 37,564 plus the GST. Your current payout with Mercedes-Benz Financial is 45,500. So at the end of the day, you'd be financing just under $85,000 on the vehicle. And as I mentioned, probably the best way to buy the vehicle is through Mercedes through their Smart Choice program, which is a 4-year loan and a balloon at the end of the term. Now, because this is an AMG, the interest rate is 3.9%, but because you have a loan with Mercedes right now, effective interest rate is 2.9%. So over 4 years at 2.9%, your payment would be 1326.44, and your buyout at the end of the term, at the end of the 4 years, is 29,307. And you have a couple of options at that time. Number one, if you love the vehicle, you could just refinance it through Mercedes. You could trade the vehicle in, or if you wanted to sell the car and get some of the upside on the profit there, that option is also open. So as I mentioned, I'll send this off to you, Sebastian. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to give me a call, and we'll chat soon. Thank you so much.